So I will be playing people's maps on the Sandbox Evolution. I will properly play the game soon. First, let's play people's maps. I've got music turned off because I don't know. Let's see. Thank you. Oh, you have to know. Hey, I don't contribute, so you can shut it. Oh. Mine exit. Ooh, bye. Cool, I can mine stuff. Ooh. Snakey. Bye. Noob. Noob. Oh, wait, they don't jump so. Cool. Noob. Noob. Ooh. Oh, cool, it's got a heart in it. I've also got premium in it, so I'm good. Oh. Oh, look at you. Oh. I don't think that the guy of this level made that happen. Good for me. Bye. Broke your shield. Oh, this was easy. Here we go. Let's see. Let's do one that's let's just play the game like properly. Let's build an entity. Let's see. No. Wait, no, let's see what my cringy brother has bought. Has he bought anything? Oh, look what he's bought. Oh, I'm gonna be telling him for that. Oh, he's gonna get in lots of trouble. That is so cringy what he's bought. Just why? Mega. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Yay. Oh god, that's the funniest thing ever. Oh my god. That's funny. Oh, I accidentally just showed what he bought. I didn't even know he bought that. That's the best thing about having a brother who's just a weirdo. You can just annoy him. Done. No, I know. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Rainbow. Ooh. Rainbow. Okay, what we got? Let's make it red. Oh, right. Oh, it's scary. Oh, no, I'm gonna pee my pants. Oh, the cover. Oh, rainbow. Rainbow. Hey, was that green? Wait, no, that's blue. Oh, now we're drifting into the purple section. Dead. Idle. Walk. Dead. Yeah. Whatever. Anyway, drift into the yellow. Ooh, magical. Magical. Green. And then now we're back to that. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. Dead. Noob. Wait. Refresh. Idle. Bear. Or it's a bear mate. Yeah, let's give him a bed. Oh no. I killed him. Oh no. I'm gonna get arrested on that. Oh, spooky. Oh no. Bed. Big bed. Rainbow. That probably sounds crazy. It's like rainbow. Anyway, sure. I didn't put much effort in, so I'm just gonna make it 500. No, I meant to make it 1,000. No, 1,000 mana isn't a lot. 2,000 is a lot. I didn't put much effort, so it's gonna make it more expensive. If you bought it in that second, you could have got it for 500 mana less expensive. Oh, sorry. Wait, I've completed all of them. Wait, all of them? Oh, add more story. Lasers. Clones. Do. Brainiac. Okay, let's start the Brainiac. The Spectrum. I haven't got the music turned on, but I've got it. Bonnet. Fire. Yes, lots of burning flames. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Oh. What does soil do? Soiling your plan. Yeah, your plan is soiled. Consider your plans now soiled. Your plan is soiled, sonny boy. Anyway. Ooh. Consider your plan soiled. Educate yourself. Consider yourself educated. Consider yourself educated. Ooh. Water. Ooh. Consider yourself educated. This is going to take a while. Squeeze. Consider yourself educated. Oh, magical. Oh no. Oh no. No, not this level. Oh wait. Yes, this level. I like this level. Because I know you can just take revenge and everything. Boom. Come on, big explosion. Oh. The Death Star's coming to destroy you. Hello? Oh. Move all of the cows to the forest. Ooh, all of the cows. Ooh. I'm just gonna dig. You don't mind me. Consider yourself educated. Consider yourself educated. Bing! Educate yourself. Consider yourself educated. Oh, consider yourself educated. Gonna drown these cows and kill them. Curiosity killed the cows. Yeah, now I've made it impossible. Skip. Did it, but I didn't get anything for it. No. Oh, magical. Oh, it's guys, and I can't move those. Oh. Uh-huh. Ah-ha-ha-ha. Can't get to me. Minigun. I could just do that, but then I couldn't get through. Thank you. Consider yourself educated. Oh, wait, I can just destroy the... Whoa. No, I don't think so, matey. Consider yourself educated. No water. Well, just don't mind me, just draining your water source. Not gonna get me now. No. Well, I'm gonna make this next episode.